video. Welcome back to another Anywolf video.
Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to make a rocket that goes all the way up to space. I'm here with my friend Jude the Dude, and we are here to tell you how we do it. So to start off, we're going to do this and that, which makes 2 blocks. And then you want to make like a little diamond shape, if you want to call it. And then you want to do the exact same thing I do. Add these slime blocks. So when you're finished, it's gonna look something like this, like a little thing that you can go through, like a water slide. Anyways, when you're finished that, you're gonna want to add an observer facing down.
What about the other design?
These are the eyes. It's like a design. It's like, you understand. So it's like this. You gotta place it like that, so the eyes are facing down. And you only see the red thing, and then you want to add something called a sticky piston. You want to add it like this, so it's facing up. Then you want to add some slime, 2 slime blocks on top of the sticky piston. And now what you want to do is add observers that are looking up, and there's a little arrow right here that's looking down. Make sure they're all looking down. So go from here, like that. Boom, all the arrows are facing down, and all the faces are facing up. Then after you want to do our sticky pistons facing down, so the green thing is facing to the slime blocks that are down. 1, 2, and 3. Anyways, when that's finished, that's your rocket. Now this is the part that people don't understand. My friend here, Jude, is gonna step on. You can put a minecart or a boat, according to all the research we've done. That's all we know.
A minecart can hold 1 person, and a boat can hold 2.
Yeah, and you can also, to place a minecart, you just want to get a rail. It doesn't matter which type of rail. And now just break the rail. We're going to be launching the rocket through here. So this is how it goes. You place a block, and it launched. And boom, we got the rocket. It's launching up. And Jude, you can ride on it like that. Or you can just... Okay, now we're going to be showing you how to make a launch tower. So launch towers are useful if you want to build a really high rocket and that stuff. Jude here is going to show you how.
Alright, so what you need some concrete or anything that is not slime, because slimes will not work. Like white concrete is what I'm using, and then you'll take some, and then you'll go and you'll need a ladder, and then what you'll do is you'll do this. Okay, you'll build up, make a doorway right here that you'll go in, and then you go like this. And the reason we're using honey blocks is because slime will not stick to honey blocks. So if the slime's touching it, it'll just go past it. Do this, and then you place your concrete like this. And then right here, you'll just place a ladder and then build it as high as you want. Like you can go like that high and then like this. And then all you need to do is place a ladder. Done.
Don't forget, guys, to subscribe and like and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on another one. But anyways, why am I invisible? Anyway, alright, there. Anyways, bye guys, and we'll see you in the next one. You can say bye, G.
Bye.